Zeed Tools is a Blender add-on that brings some of ZBrush's powerful features into Blender. You can easily trim and slice the mesh in object mode, edit mode, and sculpt mode. You can also slice the mesh to automatically generate polygroups or new face sets, then turn them into clean panels with a single click using the Panel Loops menu. Using the group by normals, it's possible to create groups of materials or face sets based on the angle of the faces. This allows you to easily access certain parts of the mesh and even control the overall crease values. I will leave a more detailed tutorial in the description. The focus here will be on showing the new local and global symmetry tool. As you can see, I've added a clean, fully movable floating panel to the viewing area that visually represents the current axes of symmetry. This allows the use of local and global symmetry in the mesh, since often performing local symmetry without changing the object's origin point can generate an undesirable mesh. This way you don't need to change modes and move the origin point to the center of the world. You just need to click and change the symmetry scope to global and apply the symmetry. For a cleaner interface, you can disable the symmetry bar in the add-on's properties. This way you'll be able to toggle symmetry using the custom shortcut, which by default is Alt-X. This displays a 3D gizmo to control the symmetry direction with the mouse. The spacebar toggles between local and global symmetry space. So, that's it. If you're interested, you can buy it at the Superhive Market. Take advantage of the end of year promotions, and have a good day.